Hi, my name is Andrew with the Aurora Colorado locksmith today, and today we are rekeying some deadbolt knob and locks. So, let's see what we got on some pre-cuts here for our bitting. 4, 3, okay, so, alrighty. Three, two. Okay. All right. Here we go. That's a stupid cylinder core again. And let's see if this will go in there. And nope, and not this end either. Yeah. No, looks like I'm gonna have to use a pick again. Alrighty. Okay. Come on. There we go. You gotta love these Defiant and Baldwin locks. They're pieces of crap. But you do what the customer has, and then you rekey them. So, not everybody wants to change their locks. So, I'm going to follow that through. Okay. Drop out these pins here. Okay, that key is no longer good. I think this is the one we used here. Okay, perfect. Alright, so we got on our bitting here. Interesting.